Paramshanti. Welcome to a sacred space of reflection where we explore how faith, when pure and strong, becomes a bridge to supreme peace. Supreme peace is not a destination, but a state of being calm, fearless, content. It is the soul's natural state when untouched by doubt or fear. Faith is more than belief, it's trust beyond logic and surrender beyond fear. It connects us to the divine even in the moments of darkness. Faith removes fear. Faith silences the overthinking mind. Faith strengthens inner stillness. I have faith. I am safe. I am calm. Paramshanti. In uncertain times, faith gives us hope. In restless minds, it plants peace. Let your faith be the anchor, not just for yourself, but for others. Ultimately, the power of faith purifies the heart and steals the mind, opening the door to Paramshanti, a peace that is beyond circumstance, beyond emotion, and beyond the material world. Where there is faith, there is no fear, and where there is no fear, there is peace. And there lies Paramshanti. Paramshanti, Paramshanti, Paramshanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी। बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी।